Hey pals, I'm Jen and today I'm going to go through a basic capsule wardrobe. Basically with all of my closet essentials back there. I've got 10 items to show you which you can mix and match and make an awesome wardrobe. So basically a capsule wardrobe is a bunch of clothes, well not a bunch, a minimal amount of clothes that you can have, that you can mix and match and have enough outfits to last you a while. I basically use a capsule wardrobe when I'm traveling. Not that we can really do any traveling right now, but this might inspire you for the future, or if you want to make a new wardrobe, just start over, start fresh. These are my closet essentials, so yeah, I guess I'll get into it. I basically like to travel with minimal stuff. I normally take a carry-on, and yeah, I think I would be happy to travel with these items. So I'm excited to show you the cool outfits you can make with just 10 things. But before we get right into it, if you haven't already, please subscribe. My Instagram is @InTheWonderYears, and let's see the outfits.
So here are the lucky 10 items. First we got a white t-shirt, a black graphic tee, I've got a long sleeve turtleneck shirt, black wide leg jeans, basic denim skirt, my tame impala crew neck, a colourful jacket, a wrap dress, a basic gingham dress, and obviously my Jadons. So if you've seen my videos before, you'll recognize this dress. I wear it pretty much all the time because it's super comfy and you can really change it up with anything. So today I have added it with this white t-shirt. It's got this really cute mushroom embroidery on the top, and I really love embroidered tops right now. It's very 90s, and obviously I've added this colored jacket just to add a pop of color. I always like wearing a pop of color because it just kind of stands out in photos. And you know, you don't have to wear black all the time, even though all these outfits are black. Next up, I have added this white turtleneck. It's kind of a winter version of what I just wore, but I think it looks very 60s. It's super cute and I would wear this all the time, super comfy. If you want to grunge it up a little bit, you can add the graphic tee. It just like adds a little bit of edge to the outfit. This one in particular is pretty long and oversized. It could almost be a dress, but yeah, it might be a bit revealing. If oversized isn't your thing, then honestly you can do the go-to thing that I always do, which is tie up all my shirts. It kind of cinches in your waist a little bit and gives you more of a shape. So I really like this outfit. It is kind of girly, is kind of grungy, and obviously I'm feeling it in this little video. Again, I've added the yellow jacket just to make it less black and white. I like the colors together that I've got here. Lots of reds, lots of yellows, and black and white. And obviously, you can add the tame sweatshirt as well, and it'll have the same effect as the t-shirt. If you want to make it a little bit more girlier, you could add the mushroom tee and just kind of add it on top. And boom, you've got another outfit here. Although this outfit isn't as food friendly as the rest of them, I can definitely see myself just kind of getting food all over the white. Yeah, it wouldn't stay white for very long. Alright, get ready for some magic here, people. Yes, you can turn a dress into a top just simply by tying it up, just like the t-shirts. And honestly, this works so well with this top because it's so thin and you can kind of tie it up really easily. Yeah, it looks pretty much like a top to me. Now I've paired this with my wide leg jeans. Sorry, they're a little bit crinkly, but they are my favorite thing ever and I'll be wearing them every single day. I bought them from Ghanda and they're just the perfect shape if you're someone like me who has a bit thicker thighs, and yeah, they stop exactly where my Doc Martens start, so yeah, it's a little peep of Doc Martens there. Obviously again, yellow jacket, you know the drill. So nothing says effortlessly cool as much as a graphic tee and some black jeans, so here I am pulling that look off. These are the ultimate staples for your wardrobe. I highly recommend getting a very cool kind of oversized graphic tee. It makes just any outfit look really cool. Honestly, this outfit's a little bit black for me. I normally wear a lot of colors. Also, side note, how do people even friggin' squat? I just can't coordinate myself enough for that. Alright, so here is a great winter look. Well, winter for Australia, white turtleneck and black jeans. This is kind of a very effortlessly cool outfit again. Again with the docks. I love how it matches my scrunchie. Who thought of that? Again, you can just add the graphic tee, kind of just like the other outfit, but this is a winter version, and yeah, feel cool, guys. So I think ultimately here, you want to have clothes that you want to wear a lot and look really cool in all the time, so you want to wear them every single day. But it doesn't have to be boring, so as you can see, we kept reusing a lot of cool things to make many different outfits. Okay, finally my Tame sweatshirt gets a feature in this video. It's my favorite thing that I own right now, just because it's so colourful. And I've never really owned a crew neck before. I thought it wasn't really my style, but turns out it is. You can really wear it with anything, and yeah, it's basically like a cool winter graphic tee. So yeah, I really like this outfit, but again, it is very black. So I kind of added a belt to make it kind of zhuzh up a little bit. So I've been obsessed with wrap dresses for over a year now, and they don't just have to be a dress. You can make them into a top. And this wouldn't be a classic capsule wardrobe from YouTube if you didn't try to tuck in a dress into your pants. Obviously it's a little bit hard and probably impractical, but look how cute this top looks. It's so different to the rest of the tops, a bit more dressy. This would work well as a going out look. Also, if it was a little cold, you could just add the jacket and it kind of matches the top, guys. Do you see that coordination? It's super easy to coordinate with the capsule wardrobe because everything is kind of the same color. Next up, I'm wearing the wrap dress as it's meant to be worn. Classic JENN style wrap dress and docks. But again, you can use a graphic tee just to make it look a little bit different. And look, you've got a nice floral skirt instead of just a wrap dress. Now, I'm sorry if it's starting to get a little bit repetitive, but basically I'm just trying to open your guys' minds to maybe the idea that you can rewear your clothes. You can have enough outfits with just 10 items and you can look friggin' good in it. So yes, I'm sorry if I keep wearing the same stuff, but it looks so cute, and if I was traveling, I would be perfectly fine with traveling with only these 10 items. So this one's a little bit more girly. Obviously you can see how versatile a turtleneck can be. It can literally go under everything. But yeah, it just spices up the wrap dress a little bit, and if it's a little bit chilly, you can turn your summer dress into an autumn, winter or spring dress. Or you could just turn it into a top again. Yeah, this was a bit hard to put on because the skirt's so tight, but you get the idea. Impractical maybe, but the outcome is so cute. So be creative with the outfits, people, and sometimes spend like 20 minutes trying to tuck in a dress to your skirt, but you'll look super awesome. Oh, and I bet you didn't guess, you could also add the yellow jacket to this one, and boom! Another cute variation of the same thing. Am I a broken record? Alright, switching out the wrap dress for this gingham dress. Again, another cute variation of the same outfit. But yeah, obviously it's a totally different thing, guys. Or you could just go back to basics and just go, you know, classic denim skirt and a white tee. But if that's too boring, then you add a jacket to it. And I'm not saying you need a yellow jacket. I would totally wear any of my colored jackets with any of these outfits. It's just adding something cool and interesting to the whole look.
So that is my example of a basic capsule wardrobe. Obviously I used all of my closet essentials. I kept it pretty basic with black and white and then a couple of colors like yellow and red to tie it all together. You can use any colors you want to use, but yeah, I think they are all good items to start off a wardrobe, and I would wear all of that stuff if I was going traveling and I wouldn't get bored. So yeah, basically the whole key to this is having things that you love wearing, don't get bored of them, and yeah, you can really have a capsule wardrobe. Let me know if you want more videos like this. I have a few ideas for some more fun and colourful capsule wardrobes, or just let me know any ideas of videos you want to see. Obviously, I know you guys are at home right now and you probably want more entertainment, so just let me know what you want. And I hope everyone is safe. Yeah, this is a tough time for everyone. I hope everyone's financially stable and, you know, being able to eat, and hopefully with their families everyone's safe. So yeah, anyways, on that note, I have been Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I make videos basically every Friday, and if you want to talk to me, I'm on Instagram at In the Wonder Years. And yeah, until next time, keep wondering. I honestly don't know why I have so many clothes when I would be super content with just those ones. Alright, time for me to go back and Netflix and chill until the end of eternity.